There are more than one type of incontinence. Stress incontinence is what she's describing, which is when you laugh, sneeze, cough, jump on a trampoline, and leak. There's actually pelvic floor therapy covered by insurance. So I would suggest that she put pelvic floor therapists near me, see if she can find a location that she can go to. And hopefully she has insurance like PPO to be able to just make her choice. But there is amazing resources online. There's a person, her name is Dr. Bree, BRI, and she has over 200 YouTube videos specifically on pelvic floor. She's an amazing pelvic floor therapist. She provides amazing resources online, and I often refer patients to her